We rounded the corner here in the Flathead range and have found yet another large avalanche that failed within the last week. Proof that we have a very persistent weak layer in all three of our mountain ranges now. Going forward into the weekend, it's going to be sunny, a little warmer. It's going to feel like springtime conditions. But within the snowpack, we still have buried weak layers. It is still going to be possible to trigger avalanches on very steep terrain over the weekend.